Sort the clothes by color and fabric type. Sort the clothes by color and fabric type. Check the care labels on each garment. Check the care labels on each garment. Pre-treat any stains before washing. Pre-treat any stains before washing. Set the washing machine to the appropriate cycle. Set the washing machine to the appropriate cycle. Use cold water to save energy and prevent shrinking. Use cold water to save energy and prevent shrinking. Add the recommended amount of detergent. Add the recommended amount of detergent. Don't overload the washing machine. Don't overload the washing machine. Remove clothes promptly after the cycle ends. Remove clothes promptly after the cycle ends. Shake out each item before placing it in the dryer. Shake out each item before placing it in the dryer. Clean the lint trap in the dryer before each use. Clean the lint trap in the dryer before each use. Select the right dryer setting for the fabric type. Select the right dryer setting for the fabric type. Hang delicate items to air dry. Hang delicate items to air dry. Fold clothes immediately after drying to reduce wrinkles. Fold clothes immediately after drying to reduce wrinkles. Iron clothes that are prone to wrinkling. Iron clothes that are prone to wrinkling. Store laundry supplies in a cool, dry place. Store laundry supplies in a cool, dry place. Keep dark and light colors separate to avoid bleeding. Keep dark and light colors separate to avoid bleeding. Use fabric softener for softer clothes. Use fabric softener for softer clothes. Whites can be brightened with a small amount of bleach. Whites can be brightened with a small amount of bleach. Check pockets for items before washing. Check pockets for items before washing. Lay sweaters flat to dry to maintain their shape. Lay sweaters flat to dry to maintain their shape. Use a mesh bag for small or delicate items. Use a mesh bag for small or delicate items. Avoid using too much detergent to prevent residue. Avoid using too much detergent to prevent residue. Button or zip garments before washing to maintain shape. Button or zip garments before washing to maintain shape. Reduce drying time by using dryer balls. Reduce drying time by using dryer balls. Wash new clothes separately the first time. Wash new clothes separately the first time. Avoid washing jeans too frequently to maintain color. Avoid washing jeans too frequently to maintain color. Turn clothes inside out to preserve color. Turn clothes inside out to preserve color. Use a gentle detergent for sensitive skin. Use a gentle detergent for sensitive skin. Hand wash very delicate items. Hand wash very delicate items. Do not mix towels with clothes to avoid lint transfer. Do not mix towels with clothes to avoid lint transfer. Dissolve powder detergent in water before adding clothes. Dissolve powder detergent in water before adding clothes. Use hot water for heavily soiled items. Use hot water for heavily soiled items. Balance the load in the washing machine. Balance the load in the washing machine. Rinse swimwear immediately after use. Rinse swimwear immediately after use. Air dry jeans to prevent shrinking. Air dry jeans to prevent shrinking. Use a drying rack for energy-efficient drying. Use a drying rack for energy-efficient drying. Treat oil stains with a pre-wash stain remover. Treat oil stains with a pre-wash stain remover. Avoid ironing over prints or embellishments. Avoid ironing over prints or embellishments. Use a lower heat setting for synthetic fabrics. Use a lower heat setting for synthetic fabrics. Rewash items if they have detergent residue. Rewash items if they have detergent residue. Wash bed linens and towels weekly. Wash bed linens and towels weekly. Do not dry clean items that are machine washable. Do not dry clean items that are machine washable. Do a sniff test to check if clothes need washing. Do a sniff test to check if clothes need washing. Shake out duvets or comforters before drying. Shake out duvets or comforters before drying. Use a color catcher sheet to prevent color run. Use a color catcher sheet to prevent color run. Regularly clean your washing machine. Regularly clean your washing machine. Fold sheets and pillowcases neatly for storage. Fold sheets and pillowcases neatly for storage. Do not leave wet clothes in the washer to prevent mildew. Do not leave wet clothes in the washer to prevent mildew. Use vinegar as a natural fabric softener. Use vinegar as a natural fabric softener. Separate sportswear and wash with a sports detergent. Separate sportswear and wash with a sports detergent.